Hello, I'm John Guckin from Airline Hydraulics. I'm here today to show you how easy it is to assemble anything from our extruded aluminum kits. This all starts with an idea that you have, where we take your idea, create a 3D CAD drawing, we pre-machine everything in our manufacturing facility, send it to you in a kit, then you are ready to build. Okay, let's dive in. Let's see how easy it truly is. Yeah. You can see our packaging, our drawings that you get with the bill of material for easy assembly. Every component is individually packaged with the part numbers and the quantities. More packaging, and now we get into the meat of it. Each piece of extruded aluminum has a part number, like I said earlier, the quantities, which match the bill of materials. You want to make sure that everything is here, so when you go to the assembly stage, you can work efficiently. This is really special, our packaging method here. You can see all the parts, match them up to the bill of material, and once again, everything is labeled component-wise. You don't have to worry about, do I have everything? Am I losing anything? You open up each individual package as you're going through the assembly phase. And that's how you receive all our parts. The next step is to put everything together. Let's get organized first. Let's start the assembly process. First, make sure you have all the necessary tools: tape measure, proper size Allen wrenches, hammer, and T-handles for your Allen wrench to really torque the assemblies down. We brought in one of our seasoned technicians, Clarence, to do the assembly process. Airline can kit any workstations, machine safeguards, or any application out there that you may have, and it will arrive in kit form like you see here. If you would like a framing kit from Airline, contact us here. If you need help building your project, check out our framing tutorials here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.